Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan documents to PDF on your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. Alright, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you two ways to scan documents with your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So the first method is the standard way that most people do it, which is with the camera. So when you open up the camera on the Galaxy S25 and you hover above a document, you're going to see this T icon appear here. This is because it is reading text. So if you tap on that T, it's going to automatically read the form. And then you're going to see this scan button right here. Go ahead and select it, scan. And it's going to give you the image that it just scanned so that you could crop it out properly. Okay, you can crop it out, and then once you're ready, go ahead and select save, or if not, you can retake the image. So there you go, the document is saved and it will be saved to your photo gallery. Okay, so this is useful if you want to scan one-page document. However, it is very limited, but there is another way to scan, which is personally my favorite way, and I've been using it for many years, and it's completely free. And it's what I use to scan multiple page documents directly into PDF. So it's actually this app called Cam Scanner. Okay, it's free to use. All right, so once you download it, you go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set up the app super fast. So hit next. Once you see this right here, you're gonna see an X up here at the top. Just hit the X. That's only if you want to subscribe to their paid membership. Okay, then it's gonna take you to this screen here. Go ahead and exit out. And now we're ready to scan documents. All you gotta do is hit the green icon here, and you have to allow the camera. So here, select while using the app. Okay, I'm gonna skip this because I already know how to use it. And then here it's gonna give you the option to scan single page documents or batch of pages. Go ahead and select batch. And yeah, all you gotta do is position the phone camera above the document. Okay, once it's positioned properly, go ahead and just tap on the white circle here to scan the document. Okay, go ahead and flip the page. All right. And you can do this for as many pages as you need. Okay, so once you're done scanning your entire document, go ahead and select right here where it says modify. Here, just go ahead and just select no shadow. That's my favorite option here for scanning pages. And once you select it, just hit the green check mark. Okay, so here is your document. Now we're ready to share it. Okay, here we can go ahead and share as PDF, share as Word. I'm gonna select share as PDF, and you can use all of these options here. You could email it to yourself, you can message it to someone. Okay, so you can save it to send it to your PC, to your computer. So I personally usually just email it to myself or to whoever I need to email it to. So here I'm gonna type in the email and go ahead and hit send. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my email app on my other phone, and there you go. As you can see, the email is right here. Let's go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, there is the PDF file. Let's go ahead and open it, and there you go. It emailed it as a perfectly organized PDF file. All right, everyone, so yep, that is how you scan documents to PDF with your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. All right, go ahead and hit the like button if this video helped you, and let me know down below in the comments. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.